Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Wi-Fi and improve coverage in your home step by step clearly. To set up your Google Nest Wi-Fi and improve coverage in your home, begin by unpacking your Google Nest Wi-Fi device. Connect the primary router to your modem using the Ethernet cable provided. Plug in the power adapter to your router and connect it to an electrical outlet. Wait for the white LED light to pulse, indicating that the router is ready to be set up. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Home app and tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the menu options. Choose New Devices to start the setup process. Select your home or create a new one if prompted. The app will search for nearby devices. Once it finds your Nest Wi-Fi router, tap on Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code displayed on the router. Choose a Wi-Fi name and password for your network. After entering your desired credentials, tap on Next to continue. The app will set up your network, which may take a few minutes. Once the setup completes, the LED light on your router will turn solid white. For improved coverage, place the additional Nest Wi-Fi points in different areas of your home. Position these points between your router and the areas with weak signals. Plug in each additional point and wait for the LED light to pulse white. In the Google Home app, tap on Add and then Set Up Device. Select New Devices again and choose the home where you want to add the points. The app will search for the additional points. Once detected, tap on Yes. Follow the prompts to complete the setup of each additional point. Once all devices are set up, run the network test in the app to check coverage. Adjust the positioning of the devices if necessary to enhance signal strength. Congratulations, your Google Nest Wi-Fi is now set up, improving the coverage throughout your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.